If your pepper plants die or have leaf curling issues or very low yield after repotting, then this video is for you, because I'm going to guide you on how you can repot a pepper plant without having issues like wilting, stem rot, or transplantation stress, along with the perfect soil mix, and discuss the care secrets after repotting that professional growers use to boost fruit production. Here is a pro tip. Avoid immediate repotting, as my experience has shown that repotting as soon as I bought the plant often results in root damage. I bought this pepper plant about 2 weeks back, but I avoid repotting it immediately. Why? Because plants go through transplant stress when moved to a new environment. So I allowed it to acclimate first, kept the plant in a partly shaded spot, but ensured 3 hours of direct sunlight and kept the soil evenly moist to prevent dehydration. Now let's talk about the soil mix, which is the foundation of fruit production. I always keep the potting mix simple but effective. My mix includes 1 part garden soil, 1 part compost, and 1 part rice hull. If your garden soil is clayey or hard, consider adding a part of sand. Also, you can use commercial potting soil mix instead of garden soil. So I mixed all the ingredients together, and this turned into a well-draining, breathable, and nutrient-rich soil. Here is how to repot correctly. I choose a 12-inch pot with drainage holes at the bottom, and first added a base layer of the potting mix. Then carefully removed the plant from the poly bag. And gently place the plant in the center of the pot. I did not bury the plant too deep into the soil, and then fill the bare spaces with the soil mix and gently firm it. After repotting, water thoroughly to settle the soil and remove air gaps. But avoid compacting the soil too much, because that will remove the air spaces which still need to allow oxygen around the root zone. So here is the most important part, that is the care after repotting in order to maximize the fruit production as well as improve the plant's growth. Avoid moving the plant under full sunlight condition immediately after repotting, because the plant has just moved to a new soil, needs time to adjust. So keep the plant in a place with 3 or 4 hours of direct sunlight, and after 4 to 5 days, gradually move the plant to a 6 hours of direct sunlight exposure. But pepper plants do best with 5 hours of morning direct sunlight and afternoon bright shade. That prevents wilting and fruit drop issues. Keep the soil constantly moist but not soggy, because frequent watering after repotting without checking the soil moisture often rots the base. So check 2 to 3 inches of the soil layer's moisture level before thorough watering. After 10 to 12 days, start feeding with balanced phosphorus-rich fertilizers such as bone meal, horn meal to support flowering and convert them into fruit. You can also go with NPK 12:12:12, adding half teaspoon in a liter of water and pouring over the soil. So that's pretty much it. If you consider following these steps, which are proper timing, the right soil mix, and correct aftercare, you will see faster growth and significantly better fruit production. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, you can subscribe for more science-backed gardening tips. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one. Take care.